Hello everyone, I'm Mariam, and today's grammar lesson is super easy. That we use it in our future life, for example. And this tense is future simple. Okay, so let's take the uses and the form from the title of future simple. Let's begin. So on the chart here, you're gonna find out this X, which means the action. But if you realize that this action happened
After.
present, which means that it happened
After.
now. So the future simple talks about the future actions or future plans which we decided to do or which we are going to do or which just in progress happening in the future, or which just got into your mind, so you're gonna do it the next second. So let's take an example that we use it in our future life. So your brother's birthday is coming the next week, and you are preparing to make him a present, to give him a present. So you were passing beside a toy shop, and you found a game that got your attention. So in this state you're gonna say, I will buy this toy. So you went back home and got back to the toy shop with your money. So you entered the shop. In this state you're gonna say, I'm going to buy this toy. So we're gonna know the difference and how do we use will or be going to with the uses and the form. But before we start, let me tell you the points of this video. We're gonna know the form and the uses. I'm gonna know some exercises to make sure that you have known this tense correctly. Okay, first, the form. Affirmative form. Well plus infinitive form of the verb, or be going to plus the infinitive form of the verb. For example, I will go to the cinema. I'm going to the cinema. So am takes I, is takes he, she, or it, are takes they, you, we. Negative form, well plus not, which is won't if we conjugate it, plus the infinitive form of the verb. Be plus not plus going to plus the infinitive form of the verb, and be plus not equals isn't, aren't, or I'm not. For example, I won't talk to Leah again. I'm not going to quit my job. Question form. First we have yes or no question. Well plus noun plus infinitive form of the verb, or be going to plus noun plus infinitive form of the verb. For example, will we eat lunch with me? Is he going to play the next match? Second, WH question. Question word plus will or be going to plus noun plus the infinitive form of the verb. For example, what will mom do tomorrow? Let's ask her. Another example, what are you going to do tomorrow? And now, let's move into the uses. First, to express a prediction, we use either will or be going to. A prediction is a statement about something she or he thinks it's true or it will occur in the future. For example, it will rain tomorrow. It's going to rain tomorrow. Second, to express a prior plan, we use only be going to. So, a prior plan is something the speaker intends to do because she or he in the past has made a plan to do it. For example, the speaker A talks to the speaker B. So the speaker A is asking a question. Why did you buy this paint? The speaker B will answer, I'm going to paint my bedroom tomorrow. So here, the speaker B has made a decision last week, has made a plan because he did not like the paint of the room. So he decided to paint it tomorrow. So he went yesterday or a week before to buy the paint. So tomorrow he could paint the room. To express willingness, use only will. Sometimes we call willingness a snap decision. Why? Because a snap decision is something you decided to do right now. You didn't imagine to happen, so you didn't imagine to do it. For example, the phone is ringing. I'll get it. 4. Will or be going to with time close. Something like before, after, when, as soon as, etc. And these are the time close if you didn't know what I'm talking about. So if the sentence with the time close consists of a time close, a verb, and a subject or a noun, the other sentence is the future simple. For example, I will see Bob when he comes equals when Bob comes, I'll see him. So yes, the time close comes in any part of the sentence. So it can comes in the middle or at the beginning of the sentence. The last one, using will or be going to with the different tenses. Some tenses like present continuous and present perfect. First, present continuous. So it is used in a time clause to express an activity that will be in progress in the future. While I'm traveling in Europe next year, I'm going to save money by staying in youth hostels. Second, present perfect emphasizes the completion of act before the other act occurs in the future. I will go to bed after I finish my homework equals I will go to bed after I have finished my homework. And now with the exercises. I'm gonna give you 10 seconds to solve the exercises, which is gonna appear to you right now. Okay, so now as I give you 10 seconds, we're gonna answer these examples together. I will buy a new car the next day.
I'm going to go to my mom's house the next week.
And yes, this was the end of the video. Hope you guys have enjoyed it and known how to use the future simple tense correctly. And see you soon. Bye bye.